Hello everybody, Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. First off, happy Father's Day. So, just a quick update and maybe some forging. As of this morning, I was sitting at 99 subscribers. I've been there for a little while now. So hopefully this will get me one more so I can do my drawing. So today, I gotta clean up the mess from putting this up. All the tin cutting and plastic, pick up the cords and everything. So this whole side's getting cleaned up. Everything that was in the shed that was right where I'm standing now is underneath my old canopy right there. Which once I get this cleaned up, I need to get that cleaned up. So it's probably going to come in here and go back on this wall because fortunately this is the wall that these two walls here are the ones that are important right now. That's going to be mostly material storage and all that junk until I go through it and get rid of a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, so today I'm just, first things first, I'm going to pick up all this mess from cutting the tin, and the scrap wood. Get that all cleaned up, see what I can do here. Need to figure out some place to put my charcoal. Because while I am now covered, the floor does still get wet when it rains good. Nothing's filled on the floor line, so I mean I do get this whole end is dry right now, but yesterday it was wet. It rained all day yesterday, so. Alright, so let me see, what did I mention? Clean up, maybe some forging, 99 subscribers. Alright, well I'm going to start cleaning up. I'll bring you back when I get it presentable enough where I feel like I can show you. So, alright, sneak peek. That's where everything landed when I was doing the building, so I'm going to clean that up right now. Okay everybody, so I'm done picking up for now. I kind of cleaned up, put that roll of plastic down on the ground there, kind of blocks some of the weeds, future workbench, tools, whatnot. So I think what I'm going to do, figure out which way to turn this knob. There we go. It's a piece of coil spring. I'm going to no, actually, not this coil spring. Okay. Didn't like that one. Too short. We're going to use this one. This should be long enough. So I'm going to straighten this out. I'm going to draw a slight taper on one end. And I'm going to make a center punch because you know what? I don't have one here. The ones I have at work, too short for working around hot metal. So, I think that's what I'm going to do today. It's kind of a quick project. So, let me get the fire started, get this in there warming up, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so it looks like it's coming up to heat now. So, alright, that'll be enough. Oh, you can't see anything I just did. Awesome. Let's see. I'm gonna pause this movie in closer. Alright, guys, they're coming up for a second heat. Just trying to straighten this out right now. Alright, I'm going to cut this off right here. Straighten it out. So I got to pause this, shut this off, run over, grab battery, and come back and cut this. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I got that cut off. Now I can use these tongs again. Get that back in the fire so I can straighten out that last bit. And then we'll start working on the punch. I just threw a little more coal on, or charcoal on the fire too. A little more fuel on the fire. Alrighty. I'll be back as soon as that's warm. Alright, I'm gonna put that back on the fire. I'm gonna go get Neil's hammer. This one works good for straightening it out. I might use the other one because it really moves it. So I'm gonna put this back in the fire and I'll be right back. So we're going back up to heat. Right out the big gun. Work on some steel. Alright, got a decent square taper on there. So now I will take it up to octagon. This last section here. Blend it in. And then I will grind. The point on that, but after I get this brought up to octagon, I'm going to turn it around and work a short striking end on this so it's narrower. So let's put this in back in one more time. Just cut it right up there. There we go. And turn on the heat. I'll be back. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. Oi. I need to recut that. It's crooked. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I don't know. Yeah, you see how crooked that end is? I'm going to cut it off straight. And then I'm going to work the taper. So I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so we're coming back up to heat. I ran out of storage on my phone. So I had to go ahead and clear out the space. So I did actually do the grinding that I told you about. Actually, I don't know if I got that on. I lost that because I ran out of storage. So anyway, it's all straightened out, tapered. I ground the end, getting ready to do the quench. Right here. Here's my bench. I got a taper ground on there. And I don't, like I said, I don't know how much storage I'm actually going to have here. How much I'm actually going to get. So I'm going to tell you the secret about this hammer now. While I'm doing this. This hammer handle is not straight. When I hold it in my right hand, I could actually swing and slide this right along the wall, and my knuckles will not touch. Hold on. let's watch these colors here. And I hope I get this all. Yeah, so while we're watching the colors here. Not quite there yet. So yeah, when I hold this hammer, my knuckles are actually off. I don't know why I can swing it so straight. Okay, so we're starting to get some of the straw right up in here. So that's doing good. We're getting up there. So golden straw right in here, and starting to get a light straw. Sitting here waiting. So anyway, I don't want to run out of storage space again, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this. I don't know why I can swing it so straight. Anyway, this is Joe, Soggy Mountain Forge. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I'll be coming out with my 100 subscriber giveaway drawing real soon. So I'm going to go ahead and finish letting this temper, and maybe I'll throw a picture down here somewhere after I try it out. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, peace, and I'm out. Alrighty everybody, so I got her heat treated and I let it temper back to a gold straw color. Took the angle grinder and cleaned the tip up. There's the striking end. Got this piece of mild here. Let's see. What hammer I want. I'm gonna go with this one today. So let's see. I want to put a mark. You see that? Right there. So there it is. No deformation or anything yet. Well, I didn't get that very straight. It was kind of hard to do. I was holding the angle grinder and spinning this with the other hand, so. But it definitely puts the mark. Mark the edge. We're doing layouts here. Not really, but that's what we're saying. I think I'd be able to find that. I'm gonna find that just by the bump it left. Right there. So. Oh. I would say that's a successful punch. Not the most beautiful punch. Ooh. Not the most beautiful punch. But I did take it to the wire wheel and kind of try to clean this up. It starts spinning and it sounds like it's going to go good as soon as you touch it. So I don't know, maybe I burnt the brushes. I mean, it's been sitting in a shed, a damp shed for years, so could just be somewhere. But maybe once I figure out a better way to clamp the angle grinder where it can get a hold of this and spin it more controlled, I'll get a better tip on that. But I don't know, I'd say that looks pretty good anyways. So I don't know if you're going to get to see any of this because I ran out of storage, clear up some space. I got the last clip. I'm hoping I get this clip. Anyway, Joe from Soggy Bottom Forge. Peace, and I'm out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.